Agini bolong kerikya bolong goman thongma buthai burai ro kerikya bolongni mal matarok chamung maya angai tabu kami bukhak mukhang rebakya tamni hinba tabu kabangma tiprasarok hukbar khlayo hugo muktung thagetung kayo bari rogo muktung kayo haina bagino kami bukhak brok toma bukhak mukhang rebakya bolongni mal matarok shalburungno krungsa thayo kami amsayo bolongni mal mata hamani koktoma kasai phayo juda khlaye mungya kami ram krishnapur BCO hangke table laija aro sal thugino kamio mayung kwthwng kamani koktoma kasai phayo haino hai kami bisingo mayung habwi kamini muktung thaikwthwng rok swbaikha mani tei nogo habwi no gantiri mani khne swbaikha som mairok samani mangpili kasai phekya sal kwthwng no mayung kotorma kamio habwi nogo habwi swbaikha thangbakya Pati mung nujagai phekya kami amsane lokoro hoi hnei ruglai phano mayung bini musung tinyo ja musung te khai klangai thangbakya Pati mungya kami ni bising khobja ramkrishnapur bisiwo nainadi busik jinjalo tongbakya o kami amsane lokoro tei mayung kwthwng bahai klai kami o habwi swbaikha bakya
disabi yordik
dukumano na ningo right sisim siru phaye
kari
Nanti ni dapat orang kayu betul.
lang tong phai tong na
mo kering ka ha gala mo tong
mo jumbari daklai
Mana?
jumbari
Ramkrishnapur.
ramkrishnapur
Mau main orang wah siapa nak sedih? Wah nak lepas kan terkun kalian ya. Ini kerja mau potong kayu yang di kayu jat di kita. Mana kamu? Bagi tahu macam mana para saya mana semua musik terputus lagi. Mau mesti coba cari kena bagi kurang apa?
mayung na harjat no bisingo ekdom hare mayung iko nor nokra nok sabai tong mayung iko jat noklawo salos sa mayung bisingo
Uma kigrak thantanga
Main pada mayung. Main lagi deh. Itu kawain nak berusaha tak macam.
mor bai dai de
Bawa masuk aja. Botak, di sini tujuh. Tujuh ngai.
사랑 같은 전에 뭐
Ganan ta ganan ko monai
앞에 반도
kaya ku pa
một tùy xin một tùy
mo khan kaya mo
có này na ô thằng sao đấy mất lọt rồi
la wa si khalu
tamir ka mai mo wag milim le
biết có qua
hai phép đấy quay thằng làm cô thằng làm cô
탄.
아니 와리 타네. 이왜 가시가? 저거 그래 원인데.
알아서 좀 잡아야 차.
đó
알아서 좀 잡아야 차.
một tin sai phải chưa?
không phải là đi phải là câu leo luôn đó.
Hello, my name is Dr. Neelam Ahmed and I am the Managing Trustee of the Dhanwantri Group of Institutions. Here, I would like to share with you our journey. I am a medical doctor who studied in MS Ramaiah Medical College. In 2003, my husband and I started the nursing colleges, the Dhanwantri Group. We started with nursing, but today we have several courses and programs: allied health sciences, pharmacy, management studies, paramedical. And the good news is that today we started our Dhanwantri multi-speciality hospital. We have very good, experienced and well-trained faculty who take care of the students like their family members and are excellent in their teaching. Our students, after passing out, do very well and they are placed very well in hospitals across the world as well as India. We have excellent teaching facilities for our students, including full-fledged labs. We have all affiliations and approvals from the government. Our campus is easy to access as it is at a walkable distance from the Chikpanawar railway station.